Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this Samsung smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose General Management. Now you need to click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on Theme over here under Style and Layout. Then tap on the best one for you in order to set it up and go back. As you can see now, theme of my keyboard is different. But if you wish to try something more colorful, you can always go into Play Store instead, tap on the search bar and type in Gboard. Now get this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Over here, you need to select Enable in Settings and tap on this gray switcher next to Gboard. Over here, select OK in Attention pop-up and select Input Method. Now click on Gboard, tap on Done, and close Gboard app. Then access Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll all the way down, choose General Management, and tap on Gboard Settings. Finally, select Theme section and scroll down. Now you can choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then pick the best one for you by clicking on it. Tapping on this sweater next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and finally select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. In order to customize it though, you need to access the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. In my case, this one. Over here, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, click on Next. Now you need to adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, manage keyboarders, and finally select Apply. In order to edit your keyboard, you need to tap on it, click on this pen icon and make your changes. Then tap on Apply again. In order to delete one of your keyboards though, just click on the chosen one and tap on this bin icon. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now when I go back this time, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!